Friday the 4th of October, Nung Song Sam C, October, 12:40, yes, 12:40 PM, and welcome to today's video. Now I have unboxings today, Nung Song Sam unboxings, but first we have some news from the tent and forest, Pai in general, I believe. We've not ventured into Pai any further yet. Basically power has gone, rain all night, rain, and no power, Wi-Fi, no Wi-Fi, well, Wi-Fi come and go, it's coming and going, and then when I woke up this morning, even my SIM card, my True, there was no connection, so nothing. So as for uploading, I am sorry I couldn't upload the video I was trying to, and also if there's a delay in uploads, I apologise, sorry, Khopkhunkhap. So I'll be heading into town and uploading later, but yes, the announcement is power. We have no power. I don't know how long it will be. The weather now is nice, the sun's out, but it's been raining heavily, and yes, it's no electricity, so no hot water, kettle boiling, no coffee, yes, basically no lights as well. We have torches, so anyway, that's the news. Now on with the unboxings. Unboxing Nung. However, I believe the power could be out in further on in Pai, because it's out everywhere here, so it's not just me this time. I'll see when we come back up. Okay, so number Nung. I've got this. So the camera flashed at me, which I believe I know why, and I believe I know what this is, and we'll soon see what I mean. Okay, I believe, let's just cut it open. Yes, okay, just what I need. I think the light's flashing at me as we are low on memory storage. That is why I have ordered these, and they are 2 Samsung memory sticks. If I can get them out, here we are. Nung Song. So, Evo Plus, 128GB. Samsung A2 V30 micro SD cards, and these are real ones. Lazada has got some fakes. I have got fakes before, the real cheap ones. These weren't real cheap. These are, and the receipt is here, it was 926 total, 2 Song. So it's 419 each, and then shipping 88. Okay. So that's more. We'll need these. Okay. Song. This 274 baht. Okay, we can use this for firewood, hopefully. We can keep it dry, if it's raining, if it gets wet. We have coffee and tea, capacity 850 milliliter. Basically a cafetiere. Remove the filter and add coffee. We'll give it a clean first, but let's take it out. Look, this is for coffee, for us, not tea. Coffee. Are you joking? Really? Glass is broken. It's broken. Oh, great. Okay. Okay, attention. Do not place the coffee maker directly on a gas flame or hot plate. Be careful in handling the glass jar. Use soap and sponge to clean the coffee maker. Yeah, I was going to clean it first. Now I think I will be very carefully throwing the glass away and keeping the flame. Which way around does that go? Okay, put it back in there. The glass should just finish up in the glass. So now we'll bring it back in here. We're doing the video, okay? We're not sorting out this. Okay. Song. Long song. Yeah, try sending something back to Lazada. That is impossible. I pay cash on delivery, so how would that work? Coming in the cash. Okay. Sam. Now this is, well, let's see. That's a special, as in is a special secret. Just searching for these. Careful. One breakage. Right. Okay. See how we're doing on time. There's memory stick. Okay, now we have no song glass pipes. We have to big Khopkhunkhap to Reggae from Reggae Pai for help in placing this order, because we were trying to get these everywhere after a couple of breakages, and we looked on, been looking on Lazada, but they had them on Shopee. Unfortunately I can't, or couldn't at the moment, get a Shopee account. Okay, so yes, Khopkhunkhap. for a break. I'll drop them. No, I won't say that. Okay. Extremely careful with these. These are honey puff chillum. Honey puff is the make and they're chillums. Ah, Khopkhunkhap. Sweaty cup. I mean, look at him. Coming to join. Let's go on the chillum. Okay, so on my face. Okay, so back again. They've got slightly different colours, or they're the same colour. It's very hard to tell. Oops, sorry. You want to go on chillum? Need to put something in there. Yes, we have a little friend here. Now, we need to be very careful with these, extremely careful. I believe I have a case for one. The others I may well put back in here. Now he's in my third. And box as well. Okay. They look slightly different shades. I'm going to put them in the box for now and then put them into my safe. Okay, I may well even give one a use. Okay. If you're watching, you've been watching, then please give us a like, a share and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, turn notifications on, that way you'll know when I upload, and you can see more things like this. I'm trying to see how long we have left on the camera. Okay. We're going to be thrown away. Careful of the okay, well the cases. Anyway, right. Okay. So the weather is warming up here again, and I'm hoping it's not only drying up, I'm hoping that the power and electricity comes back on in a minute. So thank you for watching, and make sure to watch tonight's live, which I'll put here. I'm unveiling my sakyants. Okay, and I'll see you next time, my next video. Khopkhunkhap.